Major Patricia. Madam Major Patricia Ongora. I saw was a district youth councillor. She was a district youth councillor of Orech. Thank you for coming. Data, thank you for coming. This is my very good. He always helps us. Thank you for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing more introduction as time progresses. I know my protocol team will be updating me as time progresses. My colleague is speaker of LiraLira is rushing for a burial. He lost his step mom. He'll be going for a burial together with the former speaker of LiraLira. And they are at 5 minutes. The head of the okay. You're welcome.
The Right Honorable Speaker and all the distinguished members of this August House. I am Mr. Paul the Budding Arnold, the Speaker of LiraLira, a member of the Central Organizing Committee, and also a very close family friend of the late retired Lieutenant Colonel, Reverend Abenego Orech. I'm here to perform a very important function. One is to have members of the close, I repeat, close family members get introduced, and may I therefore
right here is our mom. My name is Orech Johnson. I'm the fourth born. There. Some of my children are dying here.
My name is I'm the eighth born and the youngest daughter of New Zealand. My name is Tina Orech. I'm the seventh born.
George, the last born.
My name is I'm the sixth born.
Right Honorable Speaker. May God bless all the local governments of Lango. And finally, I wish to give the program following after this. Soon after this council, the body will be taken straight away to a patch. Remember, the name also served as a reverend under the PH Church. So the body is going to be taken to a pastoral headquarters in Barudo, where it will spend the night. Tomorrow there's going to be a requiem mass. After the requiem mass, the body shall then be taken straight to Alea, a Bull parish, for all God's grace. Right now, Peter, I'm being requested to talk about transport, but through you I'm requesting to announce that there's going to be transport at All Nations Christian Center. Just next to this place opposite the Mayor's Garden, at a cost of 10,000 shillings. We have buses, and departure time shall be 8 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you so much for performing that task. It was important. That's why you forgot telling us about what led to his emails, but because of time, I know most of us will be going for the barrier. I would like to request that you share that for that day. As a doctor,
Speaker, it's item number 7, which is to take to the legs of the neighborhood.
colleagues, before we do that, I've received a request from the RBC of LiraLira. I think their time is first set, and he wants to go for the barrier. Then if you have 2 minutes to greet us, then we proceed. Thank you.
I don't speak now. Yeah, let's go. There would be for the phone. There are maybe Roman Party, Lama Sabrina, Chairman Letto, Chairman there. Tell our Mr. Quaro, our presidential advisor. Ukumu wa Refuge, Roman Party. And I don't know whether the professional chair. And I bet about this morning, yeah. I bet the RBC and the district. And I could use your fashion, your Papua, Parawa, Mewa, Uwatwa, Wanako, and Low. Today, I never found the assistant RBC and district, or you know. You want to look better, two more. And the officer presidency, prepare with Matt, LiraLira, and with RBC. One taken a program, the water way. The shadow one year, from the day Parawa, at the chief attack now Uganda, East Africa, the Malone, Germany, Castle, America, one of them for Heritage, and the watch, and the door. The children, they could get no matter what, yeah, some warrior, or that the program short. As a Kakara, presidency. And I know Abenego Orech, we are sitting here selling people when they are bored to the military to near Lyon. The Carmen, a bit of district staff in a time, Carmen, they are going to be to near Lyon. Carmen, when you band one police stand, you can't go your band, and the military one band one district, you band the police, Musée, Kano, Lieutenant Kano retired. Abenego Orech, and no point of being. Abenego jump a pola, and a move of their bear, a bit of water bear, no than Marajo. Let me add to the carry, and I know that I have to do it, kind of a key, so bring up the note to make it. Can you be there? Can you be your can you do a community to say? I think I think when you matter. Yo, che da tutti I carabinieri musei fuono con la più di questo mano così e di fare un altro perché life was never the same. E per il di carabinieri c'è la donna di hanno lo come bani a cuoio, anche lo poco ma che non per gli papà. Quindi tutti a chiedere anni, io a dire che come potrebbe essere ma che tu vedi già che So kira ko ba may libre de kare may ko pa bu wa pa mo jiro keno yo bi no pero woru pero ya wo no ko ti ya no ko woru no ko pa ke ja me ka mo bi be yo la ko mo
Emotion endo you're moving about. I know endo class whatever I take moving emotion. Like do I remember I think the vice chairperson called is happening to move the emotion. I do whatever.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I want to introduce myself for people who doesn't know me. My name is Moses Ongora, councillor representing a year, community of a year, and I double as district vice chairman. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am up here to move a motion to eulogize the fallen hero who is lying here before us. And the mayor of the city, the residents of LiraLira, and all RDCs, all members of Lango District Council present, the chief administrative officers, town clerks, and all technical officers in attendance, the major fraternity, distinguished mourners, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Speaker, on my own behalf and on behalf of the district chairperson of Orech District, Honorable Andrew Moses, who is also the older president, due to official duties, that is not here with us in person. I would like to welcome all of you to this regional. Mr. Speaker, sir, today is yet a sad moment in this regional council where we are paying last respect as regional council and as people of Lango to our fallen brother son, the late retired Lieutenant Colonel Orech, who died on the day of December 2024 at LiraLira University Hospital. Honorable Speaker, before I move a motion for council to eulogize the retired Lieutenant Colonel Orech Abenego for his tremendous contributions to Orech District, Lango Sub-Region, and the nation at large, when he served as an army commander and retired at the rank of Lieutenant Colonel, Abenego was executive director of the army and of Uganda from 1960. He also composed several songs and helped recognize several anthems, including the Lao anthem, Acholi, Bunyoro, Usoga, and several schools and institutional anthems. Mr. Speaker, sir, his contribution towards education, it was actually overwhelming. Even at the time of this demise, the late mobilized all the schools in Lango to embrace music as part of the curriculum. I recall the great integrated, for those who studied at integrated, Abenego was the person to construct the cathedral. Mr. Speaker, sir, the man was also a great man of God who could champion praise and worship in the church, since he was a great singer and he trained so many choir in the church. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the above backgrounds, I am happy at the movement. To Lango and the nation, I now beg to move a motion as follows. That all
Speaker,
And all this has not happened. Right, Honorable Speaker, it is our plea that this council makes a pronouncement to the government of Uganda, much as it did not serve under the UPDF, but it served the Ugandan government. I request, or we request as a family, that this council makes a pronouncement to government so that all these packages that were due to him.
It is finally, as a speaker, I want to speak this morning. I think it is because of the late Abenego. John Tutual, in the year 2011, the Karamabira minister may never come make a report for the land from the headings. I know you are worried that may politics better in now. You don't need a poor bear or no one, you will more child now. Maybe I think I can change the report. Wrong California, the primary. A point, I'm a point primary, every year getting there to pass it to a one. I can't any child there to the car from children. And this is the testimony we are seeing from the late life. Me, Otino Bear, I don't know it very well, but on a Samsung. Many of the I am just concluding. United America, our new Lupani Nan, I think you are the Nikali, if you get up with another, Ningo, may take a quality in the Lukajiba.
In Masara is in Kogami. This is young tomorrow, quite a recommended you. I will make a letter with the other people to be here. And over here, I emphasize me, one lobby, one what we call it, you be the government recommended, while you tomorrow, or may make on your account, Abenego, and making it for that. Madam Abenego, Museo like Abenego, or Timothy symbolic. Maybe the pocket Uganda and Material. I don't know who made the directorate of music. That was symbolic. Omititual what you recommended. He recognized Uganda used their ability. Omitu was not commended, was not president. The museum of the level with the United and then will be media. That's why you need to attack and keep it on this point.
Finally.
Appointed by the Speaker for one time, and now regional council, the chairman of the or permanent member of board. I'm a very man with you. I've been a council and my team, Lango, local government. I've been a man about that.